Everything spins under desk light illumination with incandescent light. Pulse motor running nicely from room light with larger solar panel. This solar panel, original 1.5 volts, was not enough, and I played with different suspensions. The board was not straight. I also tried to attach magnets at the ends, like here, but then it's hard to adjust the distance, the separation. So the best was to have magnets on the bottom, and everything here is suspended on magnetic force, and only sideways we have friction with the glass capillary and needle.
Skaisti.
First success with flower pot solar rocker circuit, and here I have magnetic levitation bearing. The thing is that it is self-starting if the magnet happens to be near this pole. The next bearing is a piece of glass capillary cut with a diamond. We see much better rotation. The height can be adjusted with magnets, stacking more magnets to get it higher. This is success. It's turning happily also from room lights.